What if I told you your brand new car rolled off the factory floor already programmed to waste your money? The manufacturer left you a secret map in the owner's manual telling the dealership exactly how to keep you coming back for unnecessary repairs. Hundreds, even thousands of dollars flush down the drain every year. Today, I'm exposing the 10 biggest automotive scams that dealerships and manufacturers don't want you to know. These simple DIY tricks can add years to your engine's life, boost your fuel economy, and put real money back in your pocket. I've already saved my viewers over $15,000 in repairs using these methods. Stick around till the end because number 10 alone can save you a $4,500 transmission replacement. If you're tired of getting ripped off, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. We drop new money-saving car hacks every week. Scam number 1, tire pressure lies. You walk up to the air pump, glance at that little sticker on the driver's door jamb that says 32 PSI, fill it up and drive off thinking you're good. Wrong. That number is deliberately set for a fully loaded vehicle, 5 passengers plus luggage on a long road trip. But 89% of your driving is just you, maybe one passenger, empty trunk. At 32 PSI, those tires are too soft. They flex excessively, create more rolling resistance, hurt acceleration, make steering feel mushy, and quietly destroy your gas mileage. Real-world testing shows you lose about 2.8 miles per gallon. On a 15-gallon tank, that's nearly half a gallon wasted every fill-up. Over a year, easily $150 to $200 thrown away. Fix, add 3 to 5 PSI above the door sticker for daily driving, aimed for 35 to 37 PSI cold. Sidewalls are rated for 50 plus PSI, so you're completely safe. Check with a good gauge before driving. You'll feel the steering tighten immediately and see the difference at the pump within a week. Tire manufacturers quietly confirm this in their technical docs, but never advertise it because soft tires feel plush on short showroom test drives. Subscribe to the channel if you want more of these practical tips that dealerships hate. Scam number 2, throttle body carbon buildup. Rough idle, stalling at stoplights, hesitation on takeoff. Dealership quotes $340 for a professional throttle body service. Pop the hood. That black gunk on the butterfly valve is oil vapor and exhaust gases from the PCV system. It restricts airflow and confuses the throttle position sensor. Shops charge over $1,000 an hour labor for 15 minutes of work and a $4 can of cleaner. Grab an $8 can of throttle body cleaner. Remove the intake tube, spray generously, scrub gently with an old toothbrush, wipe clean, and reinstall. Takes 15 minutes. One viewer with a 2016 Civic went from constant stalling to buttery smooth idle the same day. Do this once a year. Power and response come back instantly. Carbon can restrict airflow by up to 23%. Subscribe to the channel and never miss another hack that saves you hundreds.
Scam number 3, dirty MAF sensor.
Check engine light, fuel trim lean codes, terrible gas mileage. Dealer wants $220 for a new mass airflow sensor. Most times it's just dusty. The tiny wire or film gets coated and reads low airflow, so the computer dumps extra fuel. You run rich, waste gas, and foul plugs. Buy MAF-specific cleaner, $7. Unplug the sensor right after the air filter box, spray the wire or film, let it air dry 10 minutes, reinstall. A delivery driver took his 2017 Transit from 11 mpg to 15.3 mpg and saved over $1,400 a year. Clean every oil change. Takes 5 minutes. Subscribe to the channel and never miss another hack that saves you hundreds.
Scam number 4, ECU adaptive memory.
Bought a used car that feels sluggish and unresponsive? The computer learned the previous owner's grandma driving style over tens of thousands of miles. Reset? Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes. Turn key to on, not start, for 10 seconds before reconnecting. After reconnecting, let it idle untouched for 10 minutes, then drive normally for 20 to 30 miles. The car relearns your style, sharper throttle, crisper shifts. A teacher's 2018 Mazda 6 completely transformed for free. Scam number 5, the Italian tune-up. Short trips only? Carbon piles up on valves and pistons. Engine feels gutless even at low mileage. Solution? Every 2 weeks, take a 15-minute highway drive at 3,500 to 4,000 RPM, around 60 to 65 miles per hour in a lower gear. Burn that carbon off. One Camry owner saw thick black smoke the first time, years of deposits disappearing. Second run was clean and the V6 pulled strong again. European drivers have done this for decades. Free carbon cleaning. Scam number 6, factory spark plug gapping. Rough idle at 45,000 miles? Dealer wants $380 for plugs and coils. Factory pre-gapped plugs are set for emissions compliance, not performance. Gaps are often too wide. Fix: buy a cheap gap tool. Set new plugs to the tighter end of spec, usually 0.026 to 0.028 inches instead of 0.032 plus. Stronger spark equals smoother idle, better response, and 1+ mpg gain. One GTI owner eliminated rough idle instantly. Subscribe to the channel and never miss another engine-saving secret. Scam 8, restrictive factory air filters. Even clean paper filters strangle airflow for quieter operation. Swap to a high-flow K&N or AEM oiled cotton filter. 30 to 50% better flow, same filtration. A Camry hybrid gained noticeable throttle sharpness and 0.7 seconds faster 0 to 60. One filter lasts 50,000 miles and pays for itself. Scam 9, clogged fuel injectors. Rough idle, hesitation, dropping MPG. Dealer pushes $940 for new injectors. Use concentrated Techron or similar. Disable fuel pump fuse, run pure cleaner through the rail until it dies, then reconnect. One CX-5 owner went from rough running and 21 mpg back to smooth 26 mpg for $18. Scam 10, lifetime transmission fluid lie. The biggest scam in the industry. Lifetime means only until warranty ends. Fluid degrades, transmission shudders and dies around 90,000 miles on average. Do a drain and fill every 30 to 40,000 miles, not a full flush. 3 services saved one Outback owner $4,080 versus a $4,500 replacement. Transmissions with regular changes last 180,000 to 220,000 miles. Final words, these 10 tricks cost you under $500 total, but prevent $15,000 in plus repairs. Your dealership hates this information. Drop a comment with which scam surprised you most and what car you drive. Hit subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next expose. We're building a community of owners who refuse to get ripped off. Drive smarter, save harder, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.